Hello there, and welcome to the second episode of Python Challenges. In the previous episode, I shared with you this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. You're asked to make a function sum that takes a positive integer n as a parameter and returns the sum of all non-negative integers up to n, or in other words, the sum of all numbers from n to 0. Here's some examples of the problem. The function should add 4 at first, then subtract 1 from it to go to the previous number 3, then add it to the result and repeat this process to reach 0. When it reaches 0, it returns the result value, which is 10. For this particular problem, I'm going to use iteration. Of course, we can solve it in other ways, like recursion, or even by just using a math formula too. I'll start with a loop that stops when n becomes equal to 0. Inside this loop, I will create a variable called result, which will be returned at the end. This variable is responsible of the summation of all the values of n through the process. After adding the value of n in result, n will be decreased by 1 to go to the previous number. And this new value will go back to the loop condition and complete the same process until it becomes equal to 0, where the loop ends. Let's see a real example on how this algorithm works. We will take also 4 as our guest and see what will happen. First, 4 is bigger than 0, so the loop will start working. The variable result will be increased by 4, and then the 4 will be decreased by 1 to become 3. The same way, 3 will go to the loop condition, and because 3 is bigger than 0, it will do the same process and the result will be increased by 3, and the new n will become 2. The same process will continue until we reach n equal to 0. Now, let's implement all what we've seen in Python. First, we define a function called sum that takes n as a parameter. Then we declare a variable called result and initialize it to be 0. Let's use a while loop with a condition n is bigger than 0. And inside this loop, let's increase the variable result by n, then subtract 1 from n. When this loop reaches its end, the value of result will be returned to us. Today's hero section is empty. No heroes are found. If you think you deserve to be a hero, another challenge is waiting for you. Just continue till the end. For the next challenge, you have to create a function square that takes a positive integer n as a parameter and prints a hollow square of dimension n. Let's see some examples of that so it becomes more clear. Don't forget to leave your solution in the comment section below. And if you like this kind of videos, we appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe to the channel so we can see more programming and tech content in the near future. And as always, thanks for watching.